My family, friends, and loved ones, I am bringing you yet another video. Now, as you guys know, we did go ahead and the last video I dropped was on the Air Jordan 11 Low. These wonderful, which I've actually, the more time I've had with these, I love a lot. But I haven't brought another segment like this in a little bit, and I want to continue doing it with after every review. That way you guys can actually see and style it the best of your liking. But if you like your shoes to look something like this as your, or not so much your shoes, but your laces, this is the knot lace. And then we also have the bunny lace, as you can see. Well, right here, I'm actually gonna go ahead and show you the 3 ways how I lace up my sneakers. So stick around because right now we're about to get into it. Here we go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nephrite. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very, very blessed day. As you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, I'm bringing you guys yet another sneaker review. Well, actually, no, not a sneaker review. I'm doing another segment of the 3 ways that I lace up my sneakers for 2025. And if you guys have seen the last video that I went ahead and dropped, then you know that we did go ahead and do the review over the Air Jordan 11 in the Bred colorway, the low version. And the 3 ways I will be showing you, if you like your laces, as you see right here, the loosey goosey and the knot lace. Then right now, here shortly, I'm gonna be getting behind the camera and showing you guys exactly how I lace it up, because I like doing these segments for you because it's a way for you guys to kind of style your sneakers, make your sneakers look nice, make your sneakers look cool, and you can have like a little, you can play around with them, you know, it's fun for me. So before we get started though, I gotta go ahead and give you guys your shout outs because I greatly appreciate you guys each and every time I drop a video. And with all that said, let's get started. So first and foremost, before we even go ahead and go into the 3 ways that I lace up the Air Jordan 11 Low Bred, let me just say thank you guys, thank you for all the love, all the support that you show each and every single time I upload a video. It means a lot. Your comments, your support, it just tremendously means a lot. If this is your first time checking out any of the content, definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button. Also, if you want to go ahead and get featured like you see right here,
congratulations,
comment down below and engage with the channel. No, I'm telling you, if you engage with the channel, I will manually go ahead and select your comment. As you see, always wonderful people right here. I really enjoy your guys' engagements. You guys keep me on my toes with the comments, and I really, really love it. So if you want to get featured like you see, you just gotta engage. So with that said, let's get into this tutorial. Let's go. Okay, so I'm gonna get behind the camera here shortly, and I'm gonna show you the 3 ways that we're gonna do it. Now, normally I always go ahead and give you the regular bunny, loosey goosey, and the knot lace, which I will continue to do so. But I just want to let you know that this is the bunny lace that we're rocking right now, and then we have the knot lace. So I'm gonna go ahead and get behind the camera right now. I do want you guys to know that there's a lot of different ways to lace your sneakers. I understand that. However, and there's a lot of better ways that I'm gonna show you, which is fine. But these are the ways that I find that's kind of easy to follow. So sit back, relax, literally go ahead and enjoy yourself. Rewind as much as you need to. Don't get frustrated. There's no reason to. Literally, you can rewind, take your time with it, and just follow along, because that's what I want you guys to do. So with that said, let's start the segment right now. Let's go. All right, family, so here we go, starting with the very first lace style. This is the bunny lace, and all you have to do, like I said, is follow along. And I'm actually excited for this one because this is the first time I've ever done it with the Air Jordan 11. So the very first part, what you're gonna do is you're always gonna start off by taking the laces out of all the eyelets except the last 2 of the shoe, which then all you're gonna do is just follow my lead, and this is how you do the bunny lace. So with the bunny lace, you essentially kind of wanna have like a nice small little knot once you get all the way up to the last eyelet, or the second to last eyelet. And when you're feeding your laces through, just feed them up like this, as you can see. Try to make these kind of not too loose, because you don't want them to look kind of like ugly, but you also don't want them too tight where they're like squishing the shoe. go ahead and adjust your laces too. And then as you're doing that, bring it up. And I don't think, honestly, when it comes to lacing Air Jordan 11s, they're hard at all. It's just really a matter of just kind of like all things, taking your time. So, and these ones don't have as much lace eyelets too. So once you get right here, what I do is I get to the last part, the second to last one. If you want to, you could go to the second or the last eyelet, but we're not gonna do that. So you take it, get it focused or get it centered. You make a regular knot lace like this, right? You tie it, you bring this, you make another knot, and then you just tie it like that. And then you see how it looks like this, right? You just take it, you adjust it, make it nice and small, and then boom. I like Air Jordan 11 laces. That bungee style that bungee style lace is pretty cool. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna take that, adjust it, and then keep adjusting, and boom. And then when you're done, it's gonna sit like that. And when you're finished, it should look like this. As you can see, like that. And the key to get it nice and small so it kind of sits like that is just to go ahead and, when you're feeding these up, your laces, don't make them really tight. And there we go, right there. That's the first lace we got, the bunny lace. I'm gonna get behind the camera right now, or actually I am behind the camera. I'm gonna put these things on feet so we can see what they look like on feet. Let's go. All right guys, here we go right here, the bunny lace. And this one looks really nice on the Air Jordan 11 because the laces that it gives us is like a bungee cord type of lace. So that's why you don't have a lot of eyelets. So I feel like if you're able to go ahead and make it something small like this and let it sit, it looks good on feet. As you can see, all the way around, it looks nice. I like the way that these really do sit on the actual tongue right here. And it's a good one. Like I said, go back, rewind it. You just have to take your time. Literally, adjusting is really the key to this. If you adjust it, you'll get it exactly how it looks right here. Now move on to the second lace style. Here we go. All right, here we go right here. This is the second lace style, the loosey goosey. And just like I said for the first one with the bunny, we went ahead and started with taking out all of the laces with the eyelet, only leaving the last two right here. So what you're gonna do for this one is just follow along. And this one, because it is loosey goosey, the key for this one is trying not to tighten your laces too tight. And I'll show you exactly what I mean by that. So starting with the left one, let's go ahead and start feeding it through. Let's go ahead and put it through here. Oh, listen to that. Listen to that. And then put it through here. I'm liking these 11 lows. I really, really am. I honestly think that these are a little bit more wearable. They're more easier to wear. I think 11 lows are more easier to wear than highs. I will really admit, and I'm happy I got these. I'm telling you, I don't see these being around too long. On my last video, I said that. I really don't see these being around too long. I don't though, but let's go ahead and loosen it up just a little bit. Take it up here. Now this one, because it is a little bit longer, I recommend putting it to the second to last, or excuse me, the last eyelet. As you can see right here, see how it's kind of loose right there? But you see how we have all this slack? I mean, there's no point of like wearing it like this. You're gonna go ahead and drag your laces, they're gonna get dirty. So what I'll do is I put it to the second to last one. And I know a lot of people aren't the biggest fan of this one right here, but I used to wear mine a lot like this too. So there we go, right here. And look, it looks perfect too. I think Air Jordan 11s are just so easy to wear. But there we go, right there. This is the loosey goosey lace, and as you can see right there, it is just hanging. If you think this is too much like excess slack right here and you don't want that, simply just come back in here, just adjust it some more, just adjust it, and then after you adjust it, it'll look something like this. Hold on. Like that, and like this. And then it'll hang like that. So remember how it's a little bit longer, but now it is shorter. So this is what it looks like on this side, and this is what it looks like on this side. So let me know what you guys think about it. Right now, we're about to go ahead and put these on. All right, here we go right here. This is the Loosey Goosey lace style. And man, honestly, I think these look really good. These look really good on feet. These are one that you can go ahead and wear anywhere. I think that loose lace with the bungee style that the Air Jordan 11s come in, with the laces look really nice. So far, I gotta say, I think this is probably my favorite one. And this is easy to wear too. Anyone can go ahead and do it. Like I said, if you want your laces at the very end to not have that much slack, just go back and adjust it and you'll be perfectly fine, I promise you. But there we go right there for the second lace style, Loosey Goosey. These look really nice, man. I just love these 11s. These Bred 11s are so clean. I like them a lot. Moving to the last and final lace style. This is the knot lace, and here we go. All right, my family, this is the last and final lace style. This is the knot lace, and let me show you exactly how we do it. So starting again, making sure all of your eyelets are detached from the laces, as you can see, but the last two. This one, you're just gonna go ahead and do the same thing. You're gonna feed it through. But the key for this lace style, in my opinion, it's not really hard at all. None of these are. You just have to go ahead and have just a little bit of slack, enough slack so you can make that knot. So you don't gotta make this too tight. You don't gotta make it too loose. Just kind of make it at your liking. If I can put this through the eyelet, that would be nice. It doesn't want to go. There we go. Hey, I really appreciate you guys for staying around. If you made it all the way to this video, or not this video, this part of the video, I greatly appreciate you, seriously. It really means a lot. I always try to go ahead and help you guys out the best I possibly can. And you guys really enjoy these tutorials, so I want to keep on bringing them for you guys. I know you really do like it. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe and hit that subscribe button for real. It means a lot. All right, so now that we're at the second to last eyelet, you could go ahead and put through the last eyelet, but I kind of don't want to do that. So what I want to do is I want to take these two, right? This is the part, just follow along. I take it, I'll take my left hand, I'll take my fingers right here, I'll wrap it around, and then I tuck this in like this, watch it, and boom. Oh, and then, so once you get like this, you take it and you feed it. Hold on. Like that. And then kind of bring this up a little bit and you feed that. Woo. Like so. Boom. So it should look like that when you're done. See how it has that nice little knot? And it's not too tight. It's not too loose. It's just right. And these actually, oh man, these look good. These look good. Let's do it one more time so you guys can go ahead and follow along. So you take it, take your two fingers, pinch them together, take your left, oops, hold on. Take your left, and then you just go ahead and feed it. You tuck these in, tuck it in, like so, and then you pull down on it. Like watch, pull down, do nice and slow for you. And then you kind of just adjust it. Ooh, I moved the camera there. You'd adjust it, bring it up, and boom, like that. And there you go. That's the knot lace right there. Man, these are so good. I might have to get another pair. These are nice. These are crispy. I don't care, man. This is the one, I hate to be that person. I know everyone in the steer community says that, but these might be one of those where it's like, hey, you might be like, dang, I regret not getting these, but that is the knot lace. That's exactly how you do it. I'm gonna put these on feet right now so we can go ahead and check it out. Let's do it. Ladies and gentlemen, here we go right here, the last lace style, the knot lace. And ooh, this one looks good too. It's a tie between this one and the loosey-goosey. But I have a feeling I like these more because I like the way the laces just sit right there, especially when you go ahead and you make that nice little knot. They're not going anywhere. And with this being, like I said, with the Air Jordan 11 having that bungee style type of laces, it looks really, really good. But that's how you go ahead and you do it. Like I said, go back and rewind it. When it comes to that knot lace, just make sure that you kind of have enough slack. That way you can go ahead and put it through the finger and slide it down. And then after everything else, once you're finished with that, you just have to adjust it and you're good. But I think these look really, really good. I do enjoy these right now. Let me know what you guys think about them. Let's go ahead and end off this tutorial right now. Let's go, guys. And ladies and gentlemen, that was the 3 ways of how I lace up the Air Jordan 11 Low Bred. Let me know which one was your favorite. Personally, I think I'm liking the bunny lace, but actually, you know what? Nah, I'm lying. I'm liking the knot lace more. I just like the way it sits on there. I like the way it completes the shoe. And these 11 lows are so nice. Honestly, I'm gonna be real with you. In my last video, I went ahead and said I like them a little bit, or I like the highs more, but the more I have time with it, I feel like I will wear these a lot. Let me know what you guys think about them. But if you guys like any more of these type of videos, definitely hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, because I'm bringing a lot of content this year for 2025. There's a lot of other sneakers that are coming, and I cannot wait to bring for you guys. So remember, this has been your boy, this has been your kid. There's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. And until next time, I love y'all guys, and I will see you in the next video. Peace, guys.